Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer, hang on real quick, let's do something. Yep, test, okay. Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer back again with another tech video. Oh man, another tech video. I'm gonna be doing more tech videos, pushing them out, getting them out there because I have some reviews and I want to do some stuff. I am gonna be doing an update review on the keycaps. I actually got the HyperX, but anyways, we're gonna be talking about the new Razer. Now I never had a Bungee before. Actually, I didn't really think about buying them because I thought they were kind of like, just like, a waste. But since I got it, it does helps it from snagging and, the wires hanging on the edge of the desk to catch it on the edge. So the Bungee does help a lot. Now with the glorious gaming Model O and the Bungee, it feels freaking wireless. It doesn't even feel like I have a wire there. So for me, going from a non-Bungee to a Bungee Razer, it's actually pretty good. The mouse Bungee Razer. Now they do have the and it's actually a pretty good box, honestly. Now, drag free, cord control, rust resistant, and spring arm. Rust resistant. Wow, I didn't know that. Weight base for stability and anti-slip feet. So this thing does not move. It actually stays where it's at. Now they do have the Bungee for the Glorious you can use, but they were sold out. They're actually $14, and I did retail this for $19. So here it is right here. Just put it in. Now people are actually, I had someone ask me about the wire. Actually the wire fits pretty good. It's a little weird to get in there, but it works. It stays in there because the wire for this is actually thicker. It's like a shoelace. It's not more like, it's kind of like shoelace material. So it does fit. It does work in the Bungee, the Razer, if you guys want to know. Yeah, really heavy weighted, really flexible. I like that it's all black, honestly. Like, I just like how it's still, Now the Glorious Gaming model has a lot of extra wires, so you don't have to worry about running out of wire on that. So I mean, I just want to do a little short review and kind of like update on this and what I thought about it. Like I said, the Glorious is a little bit cheaper. It's about 14 bucks. Let's actually go to the website. So yeah, apparently they are sold out. The black and the white, and I think that's really cool. It's just the Bungee part. Actually, the metal part is actually like a silver, so you kind of see it. And you can buy the G mouse case. Now they do have the Model O minus, or whatever you want to call it. It's the smaller version of the one I got. So I bought the Razer, 19 bucks. It was only 5 bucks more. Why not? So it actually says right here on the sides, you could actually, from the mouse to the Bungee, 6 to 10 inches or 15 to 25 centimeters between the mouse. Now my mouse is actually pretty good. I got a lot of room to move around and go all the way to the end of the desk. But honestly, I don't go that far. I pretty much stay in this area. I do have a lot of space right here with the whole mouse area and my mouse pad, so it actually is perfect. The mouse pad I am using, the Cool Master. If you guys want to check out that video, I'll put down in the description below, my tech playlist, so you guys could go through and check that out. Everything I did, Razer and all of my products that I have, if you guys want to know, I did do videos and unboxings and reviews on that stuff, but I haven't done a review on my gaming keyboard yet. I will do that soon. So yeah, so going to a Razer Bungee actually really helps. Keeps that wire up so you can just game and just move around and stuff. So if you guys want to check out the review and the unboxing of my glorious gaming Model O, I love this mouse. I am gonna get the white next week. I will purchase the white, do an unboxing video review on that, see what the white looks like between the black, because honestly, I think about getting the white too. Now they do have the gloss, and the gloss is actually a couple more grams heavier, but I heard a lot of negative stuff about the gloss. It's kind of like sweaty and your hands stick to it, and it has a lot of fingerprints. I like the matte more because it's not so glossy, of course, because it will pick up a lot of fingerprints, especially if your hands are sweaty and you're kind of eating or you're touching the mouse. So, and a lot of people were like kind of iffy about, you know, the comb. Like, is dust gonna get in? Is it gonna get ruined? Now, I recommend make sure your hands are clean. I always wash my hands every time I'm done eating or doing anything that's physical where my hands aren't dirty. If they are dirty, I wash them every single time where I touch my keyboard or mouse, and make sure my hands are dry, since this is so. And honestly, like the dust inside, I'm sure I'm gonna try a little air can and see how it does, and if it doesn't get ruined or damaged spraying, because I know dust is gonna accumulate in there. But I think it'll be all right, because the Ninja Air mouse is still holding up from what I heard from people, and they don't have issues with it. So I mean, just grab a little can of air and just kind of go in there and just kind of just like kind of just go very light. I think it'll be fine. As long as you're not like pushing a lot of air into one circuit, I think it'll be fine. So man, the Glorious is great. The Razer Bungee is awesome. If you guys want to check this out, I'll put this down in the Amazon website down below, and I'll put down the Glorious PC gaming website down, guys. You guys want to check that out. So at first I was a little iffy about this, you know, because I was like, okay, then this part does pop out a little bit, like right there, it comes out, but it only does that because I'm moving the mouse. I'm moving this around, but it stays in there, and I'm just letting you guys know it stays in there. Doesn't pinch the wire, doesn't cause the mouse not to work anymore. So I haven't had any issues. I'm still not the best at Fortnite or Apex or anything, but I've been watching a lot of videos on people's Glorious gaming model mouse because I wanted to see what they thought about it, and pretty much we all agreed the same. They all come to the same thing. It's really good mouse. It's still actually the lightest, fastest performance mouse I ever tried, going from a Razer Mamba Tournament Edition mouse. So I do like my Razer products. I did have a Corsair keyboard, but I went to Razer. I do have the Razer Black Widow Elite keyboard, if you guys want to know. So yeah, I will be doing a review on my Hyper keycaps, because I purchased them not too long ago, and one of them is already like scratched, you know, when you're playing, and you can kind of see the keycap. Yeah, it's not on the Razer. It's actually the extra keycaps that are a little grippy. So I will do a review on that, guys. I just want to do a little short tech video and stuff. Yeah, there'll be more reviews, unboxing coming next week. I will definitely be doing that white matte gaming model. Oh, Glorious gaming mouse. I can't wait, because it's gonna look nice, because my whole setup is black, and just having that mouse on top will just pop it out like a sore thumb. I will keep my black matte on the side. Just have it back up. Why not? It's only $50 too. I mean, 50 bucks and plus shipping, so it was like 55. It wasn't much, and I got it within 4 to 5 business days, but I actually got it a day early, so I was loving that. So yeah, so that's about it, guys. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Also, I set my DPI, so now this is actually 900, and then I think that's like 700, 800, 900. So I did just the DPI a lot. I could go higher. I'm really liking the mouse. Honestly, I love it. It just, I don't know what else to say. It's just a great gaming mouse. If you guys want to get it, get it. And then, you know, the funny part is, like, at first I was kind of skeptic about the size. I was just like, you know, I was just like, I don't know, man. But now I adjusted to it. I adjusted within 6 days. So, all right, guys. Thanks, guys, for watching Josh Tech Gamer. And if you guys want to check out everything in the description below, will be down below. All my Twitter, my Instagram, everything, my videos, everything. And at the end of the outro, too. Thanks, guys, for watching Josh Tech Gamer. And I think I said that like 6 times. And I will check you guys later.